the course. First off, I just want to congratulate you on making a purchase and actually taking action and following through. There's so many people out there that, are entrepreneurs or who are always thinking about doing things and, they end up never actually taking action and try to strive towards that life and business that they want to build. And really, I just want to acknowledge you as someone that is actually made the investment and is taking a step towards their goal and where they want to go. Now, in this course, we're really going to be covering everything from A to Z. So, whether you're someone that is out there on a 9-to-5 job and is looking to start a side hustle and start to packaging up a service or selling an existing skill that you have and start turning that into business. Or you might be already a freelancer that's got few clients and you're dibbling and dabbling and you're just, you just want like a proven framework of how to kind of start having clients coming to you like clockwork. Or you might even run an agency and have lots of clients. But again, you just want a proven framework and a blueprint from someone that's been there and done that already and has a system in place that you can literally pick up by the handle and plug it directly into your business and have clients coming in just like clockwork. So we're really gonna be covering all of these things from wherever you're at in your journey. And we're gonna show you how to transcend at each of those levels and ultimately get to that business that you want to build. In this course, we're gonna be covering, how to package up an offer. What is your business model? What is your elevator pitch look like? What services should you sell? How much money should you charge? And then how do you communicate that value of those services? I'm gonna be teaching you all of that, and I'm gonna be literally giving you all the steps you need to take to first go out there and package up your skill and actually getting people to pay you a fee. And then I'm gonna be showing you how to get your first clients. And this is going to be 3 methods to reach out to people. I'm talking about prospecting, where to find your dream clients, where are they hanging out, what are their hair on fire problems that you can reach out and solve for them and for them to pay you to help them solve those. So, you can forget about Facebook ads right now or Instagram or the latest chatbot funnels or anything like this. I'm gonna be giving you the methods. If you're really at the beginning and you don't have like a reservoir of cash to spend on advertising where you can go out there reaching out to people and have them so pumped that you've reached out to them and helping them to solve their problem, and you can get started straight out the gate with these strategies. And look, you might be at the very beginning of your journey and all this stuff might sound a little overwhelming. And it always looks like that when you're from the outside looking in. And I just want to tell you that we're going to really hold your hand and guide you through this process and the system strategies and tactics that I'm going to be giving you, to get your first clients. And they are so much easier than what you're probably thinking right now. So, any kind of overwhelming feelings that you're having right now, I just urged you to push them to the side and just trust this framework, and you will have paying clients before you know it. And now we got a list of prospects. I'm going to be showing you what to actually say to these people when they reach out to you and after they speak to you on the phone. What is the exact steps that you follow them? I'm going to be giving you the word for word sales scripts of how to reach out to these people and then have them engaged and ask them to jump on a phone call with you. And then I'm going to be giving you my proven battle-hardened sales scripts for exactly what to say. The word for word sales script to basically take complete strangers and take them into high paying clients like clockwork. Then once you've gotten it, you've landed your first client, we're going to be moving into actually building your consulting brand. I'm talking about the opt-in pages, the landing pages, website, and really how to position yourself as an expert in your industry so you can command high fees. Then once that's happened, you've got a few clients in and you've built a brand, I'm gonna be literally showing you how to start getting testimonials from these clients so you can start to build this machine that has social proof on it, and it gets even more clients coming to you requesting for your help. Now, when I say show you how to get testimonials, I'm gonna show you the exact questions to ask your prospects and when you want to ask them. At what time of the relationship should you be asking for a testimonial, and then how to capture them and then effectively use them as a selling asset across every single element of your business. And then you might already be like a freelancer that has a few clients, or might run an agency and you got one or two people on your team and are just looking to kind of scale it up and get to that next level using paid advertising. I'm gonna show you how to build a lead generation machine. I'm talking about having hundreds of leads coming into your business, and then how to deliver value to these people using the magic lantern technique, and then have them actually reaching out and asking you for help, not the other way around. Then after we've gone through the magic lantern technique, I'm gonna show you how to craft your Godfather offer that is literally irresistible to your prospects in order to make them buy. I'm gonna show you how to craft a high converting video sales letter and give you an exact template and a step-by-step formula for you to follow to really craft that for your own consulting business. And then I'll be showing you what to actually do when you have paying clients. How do you onboard them? How do you deliver the service? How do you make sure that the service that you're delivering is at a very high standard? And how do you get paid on time? How do you manage a database to your clients and actually communicate with them and provide reporting to them and really manage their expectations along the way, and what's gonna be going on in this relationship with you and them? And lastly, I'm gonna be showing you how to make that transition from like a one-man army to a full-fledged agency, how to attract A players, and then how to train them up and have them lead so you can really build a kingdom that is much bigger than yourself. And then as a bonus, we're gonna be having the paid traffic module. I'm gonna be giving you my battle-hardened strategies from spending tens of millions of dollars on paid advertising. I'm talking about the exact thing that makes a high converting Facebook ad, from the copy, what images to use, what's the best call to action, how do you target them, and how do you write effective ads. Then we're gonna be going to transition and bolt on Google ads as well. And then we're gonna be going through how to structure the most effective and high converting ads and high converting Google ads campaign for the ad level to the ad extensions down to, how should you be attracting people? Which keywords should you be targeting? I'm gonna be going into the weeds of all the nitty gritty strategies and really just showing you everything from beginning to end. From exactly how to set up a Facebook account and then have ads running, and how to bring in leads, and how to set up a Google Ads account, and how to write high converting ads that just suck people into our search engines and then gets them to convert them into a lead for your own business. So we're gonna be covering a lot of ground, guys. And the way to get the most out of this course is to really begin at the first module and watch every single video and do every single workbook along the way. You might be starting this saying, I don't really need that, I know enough about that. All I say is just follow up from the beginning to the end, no matter what level you're at, because I'm sure that you'll take a lot of new insights and learnings from someone that's really been able to kind of scale multiple business and multiple consulting businesses to 8-figure marks. So I just really want you to watch those videos and then post whatever wins, whether they're big or small, on our Facebook group with all the other entrepreneurs that are there. We just want to build a community, and we can help you with all that and tell you how to tweak your offers and give you advice, and people will just draw inspiration from your wins as well. So the most important part, guys, is for you to follow through and actually take action. We made this course as plug and play as possible. I look forward to hearing your success and hearing you crushing it, and I really look forward to seeing you inside this course.